Good morning, AP Research students. I'm recording today's episode right next to my window, next to my patio, so that you can hear the pretty sounds of the rain falling. I'm trying to remember the last time it rained this late in May, and I can't. But what I can remember is that your final AP Research official video is our lesson for the day. It is about completing, reflecting upon, completing, and submitting your academic paper. Both of these are very important. You want to reflect on what you did. Remember, the difference between a 4 and a 5 is when you reflect upon what you did to indicate whether you made the correct choices or that you could have altered it somehow. Completing obviously is a huge task, but submitting is so important. You are not going to take a test for AP Research. You know that already. I mention that because when you take the test, from what I understand, you're logging in and you're taking your exam. Well, here, you're logging in to submit your exam. So you want to make sure that you spend 24 minutes as they go over it. I want to point this out. Only 25 people across America that are taking this test, or that are the teachers who watch these, um, hit like on this. Not that you're supposed to, but when I take a look at who's watching my episodes to see if I have some engagement with the audience, as you can see, some classes don't watch very much, but we had three people that watched our last episode. Um, Hopefully, you'll watch that episode because it's super crucial. So please watch and ask questions. We've got this discussion here where I have the instruction is please watch the video and post any questions, comments, or concerns in the discussion thread about whether it was helpful, not helpful, whether you have any concerns. A week from tomorrow is the day that you submit. A week from tomorrow is the day that you submit. The third time for emphasis. A week from tomorrow is the day that you'll submit. So I hope that you're on top of that. Many of you have communicated with me um, through direct messaging about where you're at and whatnot, and some concerns. And about 3 of you are pretty consistent with submitting your preps. The last prep is due on Friday. The last prep is due this Friday. And see that blankness afterwards? It's because you made it to the end. So I hope that you will ask questions if you need them. Last episode had one viewer. Thank you, Alexis. And I hope that all of you, all 11 of you, if you can ever hear this voice, 11 of you at a time, please ask questions if you do not know how to submit, either to myself, to Ms. Montes, our AP coordinator. All right. Be careful out there.